Got a load that can't be laid, gotta get it there by 9. When up ahead in front of me, I can't believe what I see. People standing in a line. They say they're against violence, but what they're doing makes no sense. Keeping me from my drop, blocking everyone till the demands are met and done. This insanity has got to stop. Hey, hey. Socialism, communism, white power, nationalism, and Antifa and the BLM. They like to tell you what to think, how to live, what to speak, but rules don't apply to them. They say they're only doing good, you're burning down neighborhoods. There's just no respect. Trying to make the world go woke, I think it's all a big joke. I'm politically incorrect. Politicians always say they're working for us every day, but got their hand on our last dime. Lockdowns, handouts, prices rising all about, while people turning their lives to crime. Liberal DAs letting criminals out today, no jail or punishment. At the end of the day, the innocent seem to pay, thanks to Brandon and our government. The fun police abolish ICE, liberals pushing this advice. There's no law and order. BP and state police told to process and release illegals at the border. Immigration, invasion, nothing on the news station. What did you expect? I guess coming to the USA and doing it the legal way is now politically incorrect. Musicians, actors, athletes, the media, and fake news, giving their opinion like it's a religion, thinking we don't have a clue. Mean tweets, fact checks, boys and girls changing sex. To this I must object. We need hard-working, bill-paying, God-fearing, and people praying. Become politically incorrect.